Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Tello Mobile eSIM. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply launch the Tello eSIM application on your phone, and then you just have to simply order an eSIM. Now for the activation details, you need to go to the My eSIM section inside your account, and there you will be shown all of the details about your eSIM. Now before installing the eSIM, please make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. You have removed any kind of temporary turn off SIM cards or eSIMs installed in your device, and your device should also be unlocked and eSIM compatible. Afterwards, you just have to simply just select the option of QR activation, because this is going to be really very easy for you. So when you have the QR code available, simply just scan that QR code. So on iPhone, you need to go to the settings, then go to the cellular, select the option of add eSIM and select the option of use the QR code. Then you need to scan that QR code, which will be provided on the Tello account, and follow further on screen steps in order to basically install the eSIM. Now after the installation, for the activation, what you need to do is you need to again go to the settings, go to the cellular, select the option of add eSIMs or select the cellular plan, and there you will find the option of turn this line on. So you just have to select that option and turn that toggle button on in order to basically activate the eSIM. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.